Hi, I'm Piercer. Today I'm gonna show you how to do this new sidechain technique. You can do this from version 404 and superior, and I follow the steps of this video here. Really well done. Basically what we do today is to use the merge functionality with the multiply option. What does it mean? We use the sound generator of the SP-404 to generate a pulse wave that modulates the volume of the sample you want to sidechain. I'll show you how to do it. First, let's record the pulse waveform. I suggest you to turn down the volume because it could be dangerous for your speakers, and turn off the bass master. Okay, duty cycle, pad length 10 seconds, duty cycle 100%, and we press record. Let's do this in pad D. It's new. Okay, if you can see, this is the shape of the sound. So let's make the attack like this. This sample here, that I flipped into this. Okay, now I want to apply sidechain only to this to make this kind of French touch house song. So let's make a new pattern. Let's record the kick. Okay, now let's record a new pattern here. Turn down the volume. 130, 2 bars. Fixed velocity should be on. Press record. Maybe it's better to copy this pattern into this. Let's make an exchange with the kick. Shift exchange pad 13 with pad 1. Okay, so we have the ghost kick from the Pulsewave that we made before, and maybe we have, yeah, these two. So let's export only this one. Okay, into this. So let's export this pattern 2 into a sample. If I press here, copy, I'll put this here, and if we inspect this sample, yeah, okay, maybe I've done a mess, so let's change again the kick. Okay, let's resample, get off. I wanna resample this pad here, and I'll press play. As you can see, this is the entire volume. Okay, finished. Let's truncate the hand. This. Nice. Maybe there's too much attack, so let's redo it. So resample again. Now let's exchange again this one with the kick, and let's export this pattern, into a sample. Let's see what we got. It should not be like this. Gate. Okay, I forgot to switch on gate, So let's try to bounce the pattern again. Let's see. Okay, I like this. Maybe it's too much, but we can work with that. So let's exchange again the kick. Okay, let's copy this here. So we have the sample and this. We can merge this. Now we have to merge these two by pressing Shift and resample. The sample and the waveform. Here from sum we put multiply, enter, and the target is here. Okay, now we should hear this with the sidechain. It works so well. Really nice. So let's try to exchange this pad with this pad here with no sidechain. Let's try. Nice. Yeah, it works. Let's go some other stuff. Nice. Let's copy this all without the simple sidechain. It works fine. Let's record this. So let's hear the difference. No sidechain. Maybe it's too dramatic. So maybe let's try again. Maybe we can use less attack. So maybe like this, 12, it's fine. Exchange again this with the kick. Let's export this into a new sample. Okay, now it's better. We preserve the volume of the sample. So if we merge, oh my god, this is the sample, not sidechain, and this sidechain you can see it clearly. Okay, so let merge this with this, multiply, target this one, fine, no sidechain, and if we put the bus effect on, this one sucks. This is very a dramatic effect of the sidechain. So you can play with it with the attack. You can really pump the track with this duck effect, sidechain effect. It's not a really sidechain because it's not a compression. It's more ducking because you modulate only the volume on certain points. So I don't know, whatever you wanna call it, a sidechain is a duck effect. I don't know, it's pump effect. I don't know, but the effect it's nice. So we jump from this to this. Now what I've done is put the drums on a different bus so I can play with the effects on the sample that I previously bounced. So you can do really cool stuff with that. shift and reverse to mute the some parts. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.
Wow.